trusty, running finally on its own, no choke, no pissing around with a petrol lever and stuff, no flooding. Bit of blue smoke, but nothing you wouldn't expect of something machine this age. Ticking over lovely, and I don't think the gearbox isn't turning, so it means running slow enough. But at the moment, running beautifully. Sounds great as well. It's a piece of old table leg. See what happens when you rev it, eh? Bit of clag, but nothing much. Settles back down to idle lovely. Can't wait to go playing now, roll on wheelie. Head gasket's still blowing a bit, but lovely. Thanks for watching.